Hi, I've just bought this speech science program and I was just wondering exactly how it works.
Hi, so this is your speech sound program. You would have landed on your dedicated profile. Here you will have your introduction video. This is just going to explain to you what the speech sound program is going to involve. And let's get started. So your child will need to work on their assigned speech sound in isolation first. So we've got coaching videos here created by Sarah, our clinical director, who has 15 years experience. And this first video here is hearing the difference. So we want you to watch the video and complete the exercises that we give and the tips and tricks that you can carry out throughout the week. Also on this page, you will have another coaching video, which is the child's sound in isolation. So this is how to produce the sound on its own. And all of our videos here are clinically backed by Sarah, our clinical director. So, strong evidence for what we are doing here. Okay, so when you are practicing your P sound, for example, you can send me a direct message or your assigned speech professional. You send a recording to us with your child practicing their sounds, so we can give them the feedback that they need, and hopefully they will achieve their first target. Once that's achieved, we will need to do a 10-minute check-in call with your speech professional. So you can choose a time here, whatever suits you, and then you book in to review your child's progress with your speech professional. Okay, and then like we say, once your target's achieved, the second video will be unlocked. We've got vows here. So again, we've got our beautiful coaching videos by Sarah, who explains what you need to do that week. And also we've got a digital exercise here. So this one is Space Spinner, super fun. You will get choose a level. So your speech professional will choose what's suitable for your child. We spin it. It chooses a vow, and then we ask your child to practice. Okay, so we want you to press this recording here, record your child practicing, and this information gets sent to your speech professional.
Just a quick question. When we're playing this game, are we able to play back the sound of the child's that my little one's making?
Yes, absolutely. So as you can see, there was that play sign in the green button. So that enables you just to play your recording, and it's really good for your child to get that feedback on their own sounds as well.
And we can do that in all the games that we can record.
All the games, exactly. So once we've finished with vows, we then can move on to the sound at the beginning in the initial position. So here we've got a digital exercise, matching pairs. Again, record your child. You can play it back and then send that across. A super, super fun game.
How many times do you reckon we should be practicing these games?
So these digital exercises have been built so you can play them as many times as you want. But we do recommend everyday practice, little and often, alongside the coaching video activities that we provide you with. It's all about drilling with speech, so we need to get as many practices as possible to help them learn that sound. Okay, so here, this is our coaching video by Sarah. Again, with those activities you can complete at home and tips and tricks to help you throughout the week. Okay, so then once we've completed at the initial words, so at the beginning of words, your therapist will then decide whether we want to work on their sound in the middle of words or at the end of words. So then that video will become unlocked to you that week. And like every week, we've got the coaching video that explains how to complete this week, the tips and tricks and the activities again, and also our digital exercise. We've got another lovely matching pairs game here.
Perfect. Okay. It looks really fun. I think my little one's going to love playing this, and they don't know that they're learning.
Exactly. We want learning to be so much fun for them, and it's not a task for them. We want them to enjoy it and want to learn their speech sounds. So the final week that we have on our speech sound program is under sentences, and we have a lovely story game that is going to be released soon. So here's the coaching video with sentences, again explaining what you need to do this week. And then we would ask for you to go on the messaging profile, our secured messaging profile, with all your data kept nice and safe, and record your child saying their sentences. So your speech therapist in your 10-minute check-in call can review these sentences and give you the feedback needed.
Perfect. And then just in this messaging platform, I can also just ask any questions as well if I've come across anything that I'm struggling with.
Exactly. Use it as much as you want. Our therapist will get back to you as soon as they can. And yep, just to review the progress. So we want to make sure that what you're practicing is really good and going to help them to achieve their goals.
Amazing. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to start this now.
No problem. We're excited to get started.